Okay, this is my stolen stereo. I kind of just have two bikes. I'm selling this one, the blue one, for over $150 or $200. So want to sell it. I have put different parts on it. It was all white and everything. I have a stolen seat, some black eye killer auto frame, and some other. But then I love the headset. The headset's pretty awesome. And I have black eye handlebars, some kink barns and everything, and then some mechanic pedals. I don't know what kind of crank arms, but not. Let's go out of this one. Go to my new one. This is my favorite one. I love this bike. It's got some stolen rims, pretty nice. Got some Sputnik bars. I got some Theramuta pedals, same crank. Now put it right here, and see all this. It's pretty awesome. I love it. Yeah, so well, this is my bike check with both my bikes. I want to sell my other one for $200 or under $150. So please comment and ask where you live. Okay, I ride BMX4 is out.